Capitol Police have live cameras outside her home all the time. But the officers were not watching the feeds because she wasn't there. So they have live cameras there, but they don't watch them when she's not there, I guess. The agency monitors 1,800 cameras at the Capitol away from its jurisdiction, including the Pelosi residence in San Francisco. So these are residences all around the country that aren't in Washington, D.C. An officer was cycling through the many live feeds Friday. At one point noticed police lights flashing outside the home and rewound the video. Wonder what's going on with the Pelosi house. I'll tell you what's going on. Old man got beaten in the head with a hammer. What happened? So you're really not providing security. You're just watching episodes of Cops there in the Capitol. If that's what you're doing. Yeah, that's disappointing, isn't it? I mean, I guess it's not their job to keep an eye on the home unless the government person is there. Yeah, it's an interesting topic. I was just reading about that. In these fevered political times, there are plenty of people who believe that the security for members of Congress needs to be beefed up significantly and perhaps extended to their family members. How do you feel? Me personally? I think it'd probably be smart. You know, I was struck by the fact that they passed a measure, a law, or regulation, whatever, giving each member of Congress $10,000 for a security system, and then something like $200 a month or $150 a month for the monitoring, when you ought to just go to simplysafe.com/Armstrong and save a hell of a lot of money over that for a better system. But anyway. So Elon Musk is going to charge $8 a month for you to be a blue check mark. I wonder what that's going to do to the conversation. He said I totally stole the idea of charging for insults and arguments from Monty Python. Argument clinic. Because that's what Twitter is. It's arguments and insults. Yeah. He said, to all the complainers, please continue complaining, but it will cost you $8 a month. But will that weed out a certain number of trolls and idiots and stuff like that? He says the only way to weed those people out is to have a monthly payment and everything that goes with the credit card and everything. You think? I don't know. Quit asking me questions.
Armstrong and Getty.
Is your prostate secretly being destroyed without you knowing it? All the ads for these prostate pills, like Super Beta Prostate, Saw Palmetto, ProstaStream, Prostagenics, and others, want to know which pills work and which are garbage? Now you can. Get a free copy of the new guide, Prostate Secrets, that pulls back the curtain on the prostate pill industry. Learn what is really in these pills. Which pill has over 987 adverse event reports filed against it with the FDA? It's shocking. Learn the one food to avoid that is a prostate killer, and discover the 3 so-called health foods that destroy your prostate. Get your free copy at prostatesecrets.com. That's prostatesecrets.com. This free guide will show you how to end your prostate problems without drugs or surgery. 5 important things to do to protect your prostate, and much more. Warning, this guide is controversial and may be offensive to some readers as it pulls no punches. So go to prostatesecrets.com. Prostatesecrets.com. That's prostatesecrets.com.
Talk Radio 560 KSFO San Francisco, a Cumulus station. It's easy to listen when you're at home. Just tell Alexa or Google to play KSFO.
We'll take a look at KSFO traffic.
Bay Bridge Toll Plaza, metering lights are on, solid backed up into the maze with feeder freeways west 80. That is a lot of brake lights starting at El Portal, and westbound 580 slow from 24, north 880 very slow from the Diamond Lane split. Once you're on the bridge, solid heavy into San Francisco. North 101 into City, that is also slow going from 280 continuing to Hospital Curve. That's traffic. I'm Paul Lamont.
This report is sponsored by the Breeders' Cup World Championships. 2 days until the Breeders' Cup World Championships return to iconic Keeneland. Don't miss the world's best thoroughbreds battle for their share of $31 million in purses and awards on NBC and USA. Visit breederscup.com to learn more.
This traffic sponsored by Zero Res Bay Area. Take advantage of the Zero Res A&G November special where you can get 20% off carpet and tile cleaning services. Visit ZeroResBayArea.com and use promo code ZeroRes11. Mention the Armstrong and Getty special.
Everybody knows someone who's a real estate agent. Kathy knew Sam Sandy for a long time, but she also knew some other agents. Decided to go with Bob and Sandy because she'd heard about it on the radio, maybe from us. Decided to call them to sell her father's duplex. The property was in need of cleaning and repairs. She needed a buyer who would buy it for cash and in as-is condition. Sandy was the right agent for the job. Within a week, the property was clean, and an investor in Sandy's database made a great cash offer. Kathy was so relieved because the money from the sale was needed to care for her mother's living expense.
Yeah, we're talking about Bob and Sandy Jameson of the Jameson team at Toscana Properties, and there's a reason the website is sandyhasbuyers.com. They have all sorts of buyers ready to go to buy your property. So call the only agent we would call to sell our homes, Bob and Sandy of the Jameson team. I've been in real estate in the past. I trust Bob and Sandy.
Give them a call, the Jameson team, 408-686-HOME, or you can go online at sandyhasbuyers.com because they do have the buyers and get top dollar for your home. 408-686-HOME.
The Jameson Team Toscana Properties, DRE license number 01845393.
Balance of nature, changing the world one life at a time.
Not as tired as she used to get. Gives her energy to do things around the house.
I really appreciate it. I really like your product. I'm happy with it.
You don't have to really think about it anymore. You've got it, and it's in your diet. Regularity, let's put it that way. It's very good. Because I don't always eat my vegetables and fruits, so I know I'm better with it.
A little more energy and just feeling pretty good overall. Seems to work so far. No complaints.
I feel something good. I can't point my finger on, but I feel good in general.
I do have a little bit more energy, do stuff after work, whereas before I didn't really want to do stuff and just wanted to sit around.
I think I have a little more energy. I'm an older, disabled person. I don't always eat properly. It's just feeling a little stronger that way.
Start your journey to better health. Call 1-800-246-8751 or go to balanceofnature.com to get free shipping. And don't forget to get 35% off your first preferred order by using discount code KSFO.
Termites, maybe not really on your mind. Maybe you've been putting off calling even though you know you have an infestation. Did you know that termites will thrive with rain and could seriously increase their impact on your home? This is Joe Starkey. Pacific Coast Termite has already been to my home, and I'm telling you, we needed it. And not only do we need it, we found out places we needed it we didn't even think we needed it. It was an amazing experience, and I can't tell you how valuable it has been to my family and our house. Pacific Coast Termite uses orange oil, no fumigation to force you to bag your food, protect your pets, or move out of your home for a few days. Pacific Coast Termite is a trusted company for many years and are A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau. If you call now, you get 10% off termite treatment. They also do apartment buildings, businesses, and restaurants. Have you noticed rodents? Yikes. Pacific Coast Termite takes care of that problem, too. Call 800-PACIFIC. 800-PACIFIC. That's 800-722.
This seems to be the time of unprecedented, uncertain, and unbelievable are the words that have become part of our new normal.
And if you're retired, about to retire, or lost your job, you can add unfair to the list.
At O'Donnell Financial Group, they see differently. For O'Donnell Financial Group, it means unyielding, uncompromising, and most of all, unbreakable.
It defines who we are as a nation, a community, and the ODFI Group commitment to help guide you through this time.
They were here before the crisis, they will be here after it's a distant memory, and most importantly, they're here now to help you any way they can.
It doesn't matter if you're a current client or not. If you have questions about your financial plan, they're here to help provide answers.
You can download one of their complimentary books or guides online, and if you just need the reassurance of a second opinion, they're here for that too.
Call Greg O'Donnell at 866-496-2300 to schedule a complimentary phone or virtual meeting. That's 866-496-2300, or go online to o'donnellfinancialgroup.com. That's o'donnellfinancialgroup.com.
Investment advice offered through O'Donnell Financial Services, LLC, registered investment advisor.
As if the midterms weren't already crazy enough, apparently the country is facing a paper ballot shortage. Paper ballot shortage. Now the election is back and close to turn into jail for who you voted for. Republican, Democrat, Republican! Well, President Biden is working hard to give Democrats a final push before the election. Starting today, he's appearing at campaign rallies in Florida, New Mexico, California, Pennsylvania, and Maryland. If a jet-lagged 79-year-old can't rally the Democrats, nothing can.
Well, here's a little
Damn, boy.
Here's damn boy. Can we hear the whole thing? A little bit of this is Joe Biden yesterday on the stump.
Senator from Florida going after Medicare and Social Security. tell you what, I know where they say Southern doesn't know where y'all have been. Hot damn, boys.
So I realize it's silly season, as Barack Obama once called it, because it is silly season. And we're going to have no productive conversations in the last weeks before an election.